Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. Inside this video, let's talk about the latest update of our wallet, the latest update of Vigor Chain, because finally, once again, you can mint NFT in order to withdraw your Vigor token to MetaMask wallet to Trust wallet. Even you can mint premium NFT for free. So further, we will talk about Green Chain mining application. So the mining problem, or I can say the gas fees or the on-chain transaction, we will check inside this video. Don't skip any part of the video. These three mining applications are one of the best mining projects. Okay, now share this video with everyone and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about mining applications like Overwallet, Pi Network, Ice Network, even Vigor Chain, further about pre-sale project, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. So the first update is about our protocol. So our protocol at Jambo technology bring our wallet enhancing financial availability for millions in emerging markets. So our wallet pre-installed on Jambophone. So finally our wallet is available inside Jambophone. So what is Jambophone? Let's talk about it. So in here you can see Jambo is supported by renowned international investors like Coinbase and Paradigm is a Web3 mobile infrastructure company spreading Web3 experiences in Africa, Southeast Asia, and Latin America through the Jambo Fund. So earlier this year, Jambo announced partnership with notable cryptocurrency projects such as Aptos and Injective Protocol. So this is the Jambo Fund. Jambo Fund, like I can say, a new technology about Web3 mobile, like just spreading knowledge, spreading applications, spreading platform to more than 100 countries. So like that, our wallet is available inside Jambo Phone. Like you can see, let me show you this one. The Jambo Phone, which comes with our wallet pre-installed, is priced at $100. So is sold in over 100 countries, targeting the general Z demographic in emerging markets. So users will have access to a mobile device preloaded with DeFi gaming and Web3 infrastructure applications, enabling them to participate in the global Web3 market. This is amazing update about our wallet. Our wallet, the beta version is available. Again, you can mine a 10 over token per day. Again, you can receive it because soon we will see distribution. Soon we will see exchange listing somehow inside OKX exchange. So do not stop the mining of our wallet because big things are coming in the future. So let's talk about Green Chain. Green Chain, the mining project, per day you can earn 10,000. If you invite your friends, you can earn lots of token. So we have noticed a significant increase in on-chain transactions over the past week, and we have received valuable feedback from our community regarding mining issues. Of course, there are some mining issues while mining green coin. You're facing some kind of problem. Sometime your account will be signed out, even sometime the application cannot open. So unfortunately, due to the rising gas fees, we need to inform you that mining operations may encounter difficulties. Gas fees are currently elevated, and it's essential to ensure you have significant balance to initiate mining operations. Of course, for the mining, we need to pay the gas fees. Gas fees is about green coin. At least we have 20 to 30 green coin in order to pay the gas fees. So of course, everyone have that gas fees. So 20 to 30 green is recommended to ensure a successful mining transaction. So same like hot wallet, same like near wallet. While mining hot coin, you need to pay the gas fees. Sometimes you pay gas fees with hot coin. So same thing we have inside green chain. While mining green chain, we need to pay the gas fees, and for that we need to pay green coin. So 20 to 30 green is not. I can say this is affordable. Everyone have this amount of coin in order to pay the gas fees, so that for a successful mining transaction. So don't stop the mining of green chain. Green chain is a multi-chain, I can say, multi-chain mining project. So okay, let's talk about Vigor chain. Vigor chain, the withdrawal is live. You can get your 20% off VT token to your MetaMask wallet, Trust wallet. So who have minted minimum profile NFT to or more and minted premium NFT minimum one, raise hands up. We will meet soon in Vigor Exchanger for $12 per VTC and 100 Matic per premium NFT. So the exchange of Vigor chain is coming soon after 2 days. And then we can sell our VT token. The price is $12. This is not a small amount. Even if I show you, mint your profile NFT and get exclusive premium NFT, withdrawals enabled, price $100 instant, resellable, mint now. So you can mint NFT in order to withdraw your VT token. Once again, you have a chance. Simply go to this website. This is the link nft.vigorscan.com. Go to in here, connect your wallet, and then make sure mint NFT in order to get your withdrawal, and then withdraw your token to your MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet. So you can see this website. This is the premium NFT of Vigor Chain. So the price is zero. Mint with zero price. Simply connect your wallet. Connect the wallet that you minted NFT for withdrawal. Just connect same wallet address. So maximum minted profile NFT 1 price is 0.00 BNB. Mint is available until May 10, 2024. It means that still we have 15 days to mint a premium NFT. The price is 100 Matic coin. So while selling the NFT, you will get 100 Matic coin. Even you can hold it for further profit for the long term to get more profit. So you can see this update. VTC Premium NFT 1 free. Claim it, hurry up before claimed out. So VTC Premium NFT is available now for 0 BNB. It is free. It is totally free. Only you need to pay some BNB for the gas fees. So listing floor price is 100 Matic. Listing date is 11 May 2024 and listing marketplace is OpenSea. So this NFT is going to list inside OpenSea NFT marketplace. So maximum claim is 10,000. Minting ability, which wallet already minted or will mint profile NFT over one. So make sure to mint with the same wallet. So minting quantity, total profile minted NFT 1. Only you can mint one NFT. This is the website. This is the link. Claim it now free from link below with 0 BNB. So check it. Of course, I'm going to mint this NFT with my MetaMask wallet because already I connected my MetaMask wallet. I just pasted my MetaMask wallet inside Vigor Chain application. So I need to mint this NFT with the same wallet with the same address. So this is the latest update about Vigor Chain. You can just receive a free NFT. Make sure to check it. Make sure to mint it. This is free. There are 10,000 NFTs. So further about our wallet, Green Chain, I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. Smash the like button to 1 all-time high. Still did not subscribe to our channel. Make sure to click on the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. So share your thoughts in the comment section. This video is end up in here and then till the next video, goodbye. See you.